The Amazon is the world's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing several million species of insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life, many still unrecorded by science. Welcome my channel. Today we are going to discuss 12 bizarre discoveries in the Amazon. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and let us dig right into today's topic. Number 12. Jesus Lizard. Many people also call the green basilisk lizard Jesus Christ lizard. Why is that? You're probably wondering. They may sprint approximately 15 feet or more across the water like this. After all, it turns out there's a scientific explanation for the mystery Jesus Christ lizard, but that's still a nice skill the green basilisk possesses. This lizard has lengthy toes on its rear foot, fringing portions of the skin. Fringed skin unfolds in the water, increasing the area. As the green basilisk swings its legs rapidly, its feet slap the water, producing just enough air pocket to prevent them from sinking like most other creatures. Green basilisks omnivores. They consume fruit, plants, insects, and pets. Number 11. The Arapaima. Its broad, bony skulls, upturned mouth, and streamlined bodies, with a dorsal fin extending down its back and toward its tail, which is enormous but stumpy in appearance, distinguish Arapaimas from other species. Its head is copperish green in color, and its body is black with a white core, and its tail is red. In Brazil, they are referred to as pirarucu, a term derived from the Tupi language that loosely translates as red fish. This species may grow to be up to 15 feet long and weigh up to 440 pounds. When it is hungry, it expands its mouth to suck in food from the surrounding area like a vacuum. This fish can breathe air and remain underwater for periods of 10 to 20 minutes at a time. It is capable of surviving for up to 24 hours outside of water. Depending on the species, the Arapaima may live up to 20 years. Number 10. The Candiru. There are many names for the Candiru, including the vampire fish and the toothpick fish. It is a member of the catfish family. It is found across South America, particularly in the Amazon and Orinoco rivers. The Candiru is attracted to the smell of human pee. When it comes into contact with a stream of urine, it will swim into an orifice and utilize a set of spines to lodge itself in the urethra, where it will induce bleeding. Any efforts to pull out the small, almost translucent Candiru would result in unbearable agony because the fish's spines are oriented backward. Folk medicines have the potential to be deadly. The treatment entails a significant amount of surgery. Death may occur from sepsis if it is not treated promptly. Because of its tiny size and light, translucent appearance, the Candiru can sneak up on its hosts quite fast. The cunning Candiru, which has the appearance of a cave monster, is very difficult to see in the dark waters of the Amazon. Number 9. Green Anaconda. An average length of 6 meters and a maximum length of 8.8 meters. The green anaconda is one of the world's most giant snakes. The green anaconda is the heaviest of all snakes, measuring almost 30 centimeters in length and 227 kilograms. It is considerably simpler for green anacondas to swim in water than for them to crawl slowly over land due to their vast size. Their eyes and nostrils are located on the top of their heads, which allows them to see and breathe even when the majority of their bodies are submerged. A variety of species, including fish, birds, tapirs, wild pigs, capybaras, and caimans, are preyed upon by green anacondas. Anacondas are not poisonous. Instead, anacondas will coil around their victim and squeeze them till they die through crushing or asphyxia, once they get a firm grip on them. Number 8. Pink Dolphin. Although Amazon pink river dolphins are renowned for their pink color, they weren't born in this manner. Born gray, the dolphins become pink as they mature. Male dolphins are pinker than their female counterparts. When the dolphins become aroused, they may flush a brighter pink. Amazon pink river dolphin is the biggest and smartest freshwater species. A full-grown dolphin may grow up to 9 feet, weigh up to 400 pounds, and survive to age 30. Their food is the most varied among toothed whales, including over 53 species, including piranhas. They also have extremely big brains, 40% more brains than humans. While they are considered timid animals, they are fascinatingly attracted to humans, interacting curiously with local kids without showing aggressive behavior. Number 7. Electric eels. These well-known freshwater predators can produce a tremendous electrical charge to shock prey and deter predators, gives them their name. Their bodies are equipped with electric organs, each of which has about 6,000 specialized cells. These cells will all discharge at the same time if they are threatened or attacked by the target. They dwell in the murky streams and ponds of South America's Amazon and Orinoco basins, where they prey primarily on fish and amphibians. Still, they prey on birds and small animals as well. Electric eels may grow to gigantic dimensions, reaching more than 8 feet and weighing more than 44 pounds. They have long, cylindrical bodies with flattened heads. Their coloration is usually dark green or gray on top with yellowish coloring under the body's surface. Human fatalities as a result of electric eels are very rare. Multiple shocks, on the other hand, may result in respiratory or cardiac failure. Number 6. The Giant Otter. It's safe to say that seeing the giant otter in the wild is at the top of any wildlife enthusiast bucket list. Still, the only opportunity to view them in the wild is on a trip to South America. So before you go, here's everything you need to know about what makes giant otters so unique in the world of wildlife. Giant otters are the most well-known members of the weasel family, and they may grow to be over 6 feet in length and weigh more than 30 kilograms. Giant otters are distinguished by their thick, brown fur and a creamy white pattern on their necks, unique to each individual. Giant otters are carnivores who prey primarily on fish, particularly the piranha. However, they also consume birds, small animals, insects, crabs, and even snakes as part of their daily diet. They have excellent vision and utilize their whiskers to detect changes in the stream of water around them. They are highly suited for living in aquatic environments, as shown by their paddle-like tails, webbed claws, water-resistant hair, and the ability to shut their noses and ears while swimming or swimming in a pool. Number 5. Glass frog. You wouldn't have to dissect a live glass frog in high school biology class to view its interior organs. Glass frogs like to raise their young in rainforests in the highlands near running streams. This frog climbs trees slowly with its sticky webbed feet and leaps away from predators in a single jump that may be more than 10 feet, 3 meters, long. To attract a partner, it produces a high-pitched whistling sound rather than a croaking sound. It may live for 10 to 14 years if it survives predator assaults. Number 4. Decoy building spider. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, a spider is at work constructing an intricate false self-decoy. In her web, she works hard to create her doppelganger from leaves, trash, and dead prey insects, including numerous spidery legs, a head, and belly. The new spider, considered a Cyclosa genus, may construct these decoys as part of a defensive strategy to mislead or divert predators. Researchers investigating a woodland floodplain first discovered a spider when they saw what they believed was a dead spider trapped in a web. It looked like a flaky, fungus-covered corpse. But the would-be body started twitching, and the researchers spotted a second, smaller spider about 1 inch above the decoy, shaking her web. Number 3. Piranha. Piranhas are South American fish with razor-sharp teeth and a reputation for frenzy eating. Indeed, piranha means toothfish in Tupi's Brazilian language. Most piranhas don't grow larger than 2 feet. For instance, red-bellied piranha and Parida piranha grow to approximately 20 inches. The black spot piranha grows to about 11 inches. The Amazon River contains 20 distinct kinds. Most piranhas have a poor reputation as dangerous predators that rip any flesh in their waters to pieces. This isn't true. Some omnivore piranhas consume more seeds than meat. Some are vegetarian. That's a relief for us all. Number 2. Black Caiman. When Paulo Dias Nishimura, a biologist from Sao Paulo, was cleaning fish at the edge of her houseboat, a black caiman attacked and dragged her into the water. She was able to escape. Despite the caiman's best efforts, Nishimura managed to gouge 2 holes in its skull, enabling her to run, but only after the caiman had already taken her right leg. After she had healed, she went back to the area she had fallen in love with, the Amazon. The black caiman is the most visible member of the alligator family, and it is also the most dangerous. According to the World Wildlife Fund, adult males reaching up to 20 feet in length are the giant predators in the Amazon River basin. They're much larger and heavier than Nile crocodiles. It's a diverse diet that includes just about everything. Among the creatures on the menu are monkeys, piranhas, deer, and even anacondas. Number 1. Bull sharks. While spending your time worrying about the perils of the Amazon, You may miss out on the whole experience of the natural beauty of the region, in addition to the significance of the river. However, you may not be anticipating a killer from the Amazon River since sea bull sharks are known to dwell there. These creatures may be found up the river to Peru, 2,500 miles distant from the coast. This is due to the bull shark's kidneys, which can change the salinity of the surrounding water, allowing this unusual predator to live in freshwater. They may also grow to be around 11 feet in length and weigh up to 700 pounds on average. It should come as no surprise that the enormous fish are among the most often seen predators of humans. The bull shark is often regarded as one of the most deadly sharks globally, if not the most dangerous. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.